Welcome to Relax with Kat. I am Kat. I am a licensed master esthetician here in Virginia, and today I'd like to share some tips on how to care for your eyelash extensions after you have finished your appointment. So first, you're going to want to cleanse with an oil-free cleanser recommended by your lash artist. You're going to want to brush your eyelashes daily after they are already dry. You don't want to brush them wet, as that can cause some pulling on the lash extensions themselves. So you brush them because you want to keep them looking fresh and separated. You want to treat them with care. Try not to pick, pull, or touch your lash extensions. The oil from your fingers can cause them to fall out, as any other oils that come in contact with the lash extensions can cause them to fall out faster. Picking or pulling can cause damage to your natural lashes, so you want to keep those fingers away from your eyes. For more tips and tricks, follow us on Instagram and or Facebook at Relax with Kat. All right, those are your tips. Have a good one.